Welcome back to Cardano Trading, everybody. Thank you for watching another video here. And as you can see here today, we have a bit of a green day happening. And currently I have a $25 margin running a $50 profit. And as you see on the 1 hour, the 4 hour, and the daily, we have a green candle imminent. And breakout is imminent one of these days. And honestly, guys, we've been following this breakout for about a couple weeks now, and I feel as if $2 is right around the corner. However, guys, I'm not a financial expert at all. I'm not a financial advisor. It could go to zero. But if you do want to learn how to make money every single day in the crypto market, as you see here, just subscribe to our YouTube channel, give us a follow on Instagram, and even sign up for our cryptocurrency course where we do teach you crypto every single day. And like always, guys, happy trading.